Jeff Sica is here. We know him as a market bear. You missed this rally, didn't you, Jeff?
I'm the smartest guy in the room, right?
Do you want to say anything to our audience out there? You want to say sorry or anything? I mean, I don't know.
Well, here's the thing, and I do think this, first of all, it's not a legitimate rally because 80% of the market is flat. This market has been mostly financials and energy that are going to benefit from deregulation. They've carried this market. If you look at the Dow, a third of the appreciation in the Dow is Goldman Sachs. So this is a very exclusive rally.
No,
so
it's not.
No, it's too soon to crack the champagne.
No, you're only talking about the Dow. What about the Russell 2000, up nearly 14%? That's not concentrated in a couple of stocks. That's broad-based, small America.
Well, here's the problem. You're talking about a lot of financials and energy stocks. If you look at it, it's the financials and energies that are driving it. But I will give the market some credit.
What a guy.
I will give the market some credit. The market has shown a lot of vigilance when it comes to a lot of the headwinds that are on the horizon. But here's what investors have to realize. We are going to see interest rates move up. We are going to see strength in the dollar. And all this hype over Trump, and believe me, I believe that Trump is going to be very, very good for the economy, but the stock market is artificially inflated by the central bank, and that's about to go away.
So we're not going to get to 20,000 on the Dow by Christmas?
I think we're going to get awfully close. I think we could touch it. I think we're getting awfully close.
I'm reading between the lines here, Jeff. You clearly think that there's some kind of pullback coming fairly soon.
Yeah, I really do, because here's the thing. And Trump has said it himself. You have an asset bubble and a lot of assets right now. So investors are going to eventually realize that a lot of this sentiment regarding the markets have been geared towards the excitement about all of these policies that he's talking about coming to fruition. I hope that they do. But there's also the one factor that has been carried this market, and it's lower interest rates. And there's projections from a lot of the investment banks and a lot of people in the know, myself included, that believe that we're going to see 3 interest rate increases in the next year. That's going to have an impact.
A word of caution from Jeff Sica. Don't get carried away by this. It's fun whilst it's happening, but cautious Jeff Sica puts his word.
Yeah, and it's not that I don't think people should be excited about what's happening and all this freedom we're seeing across the world, but you need to keep your feet on the ground while your head is in the sky. That's the bottom line.
When do you think you might be back on the program?
Up to you, Stuart.
You're a welcome guest and you're a good man. Thanks, Jeff.